What's up, guys? Ryan from the MXG channel and AOMC here, and I've got our first new gen 2024 KTM SX65 here. A pretty big update to this. This bike's been the same since what, 17 or 18. So new gen, got the new plastics to match the big brothers. Those look good. They fit well with the ready to race. Let's talk about some of the other changes for this year though. New steel frame with the lightweight polyamide glass fiber reinforced two-piece subframe, just like the big bikes. They kind of taken the best of both worlds with these new subframes, lighten them up, but also put aluminum in spots, that they've needed to have aluminum. So let's talk about what the new frame allows. So this is gonna allow kids to grow and advance on these bikes like never before, guys, because for the first time, we have a height adjustable 65. So you can actually raise and lower the bodywork, the handlebar position, the suspension, and the subframe, so that the entire bike can be comfortable at different levels. I'm not sure if you can get in there, and as you can see the other bolt hole in there for the shock above it. But there also is an adapter to raise the tank. Like I said, 2 holes for the subframe, and you can raise up the handlebars. So that on the 65 is going to give you an adjustable seat height of 28.7 to 29.9 inches. So kids are really going to be able to kind of grow into these things. Now, we'll talk about the 50 in that video. It got an entirely new engine. The 65 gets updates to the engine around the top end area, radiators, and I don't know if it's just me, but just kind of straddling the 65, it does feel wider than the old generation to me. I don't know if that's because larger radiators or just a different design or what, but it does feel a little bulkier in the cockpit to me just sitting on it. So they say that these new radiators are pretty much just the same design from the big bikes. A new digital ignition, and the forks just get minor tweak updates from before. These are the 35 mil exact AER. These are fantastic forks for mini bikes, guys. They work well, they're easy to service, they're simple, and they're very adjustable. So I thought we might see a factory edition 65 this year, but that's not happening that I know of. There will be a factory edition 50. So you can see, just a sweet bike, guys. This bike is spoken for. We do have Husqvarna TC65 available. Probably more of these coming in. So if you're interested in any of these, just email sales@aomc.mx. Tell them you saw this video. And yeah, if you appreciate some of these walkarounds, just grab your parts from AOMC via the link below in the description. Appreciate you guys. See you in the next video.